it's Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. It is August. I can't wait for the month to be over. It is some of the hottest days that we have in the summer, and I just don't like hot. So I wanted to show you what I have for my kit for the month of August 2019 for my mini kit Monday. Now there are 4 Mondays in the month of August. So the first Monday we do a reveal of our kit, and then the next 3 Mondays we'll be doing a layout. You guys don't have to do it this way. If you guys want to make all your layouts and post them all on the same day, and you can wait until August 31st to do this, it doesn't really matter. You don't have to do it on Monday, but that's just kind of how this whole thing got started when Becky started this about 1.5 years ago. So here is my kit. I used a little bit of the inspiration. She has some pastels, she has some bright colors. I was really drawn to the yellow because I really love yellow. So, but this is my, I'm basing everything off of this, and this is from Summer Lights. And it was, I think it was last year's collections, Pink Paislee. And so this is my first page, and then I've chose this next one. That is from Vicki Boutin. And then this blue is next, also from Vicki Boutin. And then a little bit of a brighter color is this My Mind's Eye. It's from the Well Hello collection. Love that color. And then of course the yellow. So it's a tone-on-tone yellow dot, and this is from Echo Park. So that is all my cardstock. No, it's not all the cardstock. That is the 12 by 12. So I usually just do single page layouts. Rarely do I do a double page, so just so you know. If you guys do, we consider that one layout. So if you do 2 pages, just so you know. And then I have a bunch of scraps. I pulled this beautiful piece out. This is from Ellie's Studio, I remember. And then this one is from Simple Stories. Love that pink. Pulling out the bigger pieces first. And then this beautiful pastel rainbow. This one's from Dear Lizzie Stay Colorful. There is that. And then I have, isn't that beautiful? And then this one. Look, I'm just pulling out scraps. I'm trying to do more layering this month. So, ooh, fingers crossed I can get it done. Like I said, I was drawn to the yellow. These are thinner papers. This is a cardstock. This is probably the oldest paper I have in my collection. It is from the very first year that Close to My Heart came out in their little paper pads. This looks like it's from the Oasis. I'm not sure where this is from. I love that. I have these little frames. I'll probably cut those out if I use them at all. And then these are from, oh, what did I say? The Summer Lights collection. These are from 6x6 pad. That is all the papers that I have. And let me show you what embellishments I pulled out. I pulled out some of these wooden hearts. I know I got those at Tuesday morning. I wanted to use as much of these as I can. I don't even remember who it was from, but it has some yellow in it. Maybe I can incorporate the green. I also pulled out these little tassels. Aren't they cute? Cute, cute, cute. And then in here are all the little tags and things that I pulled from Ellie's Studio. Love her colors. They're always so bright and cheery. And let's see, what else do I have? Well, I have the Summer Lights. These are the ephemera. The tape is, makes me think that maybe I've used part of it, but this is what's inside there. I'm not sure exactly how much of this I'm going to use. This is the second time that I've got one of these. Pardon my English, my grammar. The first time I did a mini album for my daughter when we went to Florida. So I think I used them all up for that. I also have another pack of stickers. In fact, I have 2 packs of these. And you know what? I do have some alpha that is this, oh, what do you call, oh my goodness. You guys, iridescent. Oh my goodness. Yeah, here they are. So I have these. And in fact, I think I have a couple packs of those. I'm going to go ahead and throw those in there because more than likely I'll use that together. And then the last thing that I pulled was this sticker book. Now, I don't want to be a collector of sticker books. I want to be a user of sticker books. And the only way it's going to happen is if I pull it out. Now, if you're like me, if you keep it out all the time, you get to the point where you don't see it anymore. That's what I don't want to happen. So I do put it away, and then as I'm looking for things, I see it in there and I pulled it out. In fact, I thought about it as I was looking through things, and I wanted to like pull some of these words out. My goodness, it matches so nicely, and I want to make sure that I incorporate some things in here on every layout that I do. Now, I think I'm going to do 3 layouts. I'm going to see if I can get 4 in via bonus. This month should be a little better. I survived the month of July, the class that I had. It's over. I started a new class on August the 12th, but I don't expect that one to be as difficult. So I'm hoping to get back into some scrapping again. I really, really, really missed it. I was so stressed out. This is my, creative release. I have to have it. So anyway, this is it. Make sure you check out the other ladies, Becky and Shannon and Dolly and Daisy and Kathy. And I know Leslie's taking a break for right now, but that's okay. Keep an eye on her. She'll be back. Yeah, it's crazy. Summers are crazy. You guys know your summers are crazy too. Leave a thumbs up if you liked it. If you haven't already subscribed, I'd love to have you. And make sure you check out our Mini Kit Monday Facebook challenge. That's what I was referring to earlier. That what we ask you to do is to take a photo of your kit and post it on in the August album. If you have any questions about where to find that album, please ask, because that's the only way that you are going to be eligible for a prize. So only the things that are posted in the album are eligible for a prize. Now, we only count up to 3 layouts, so if you end up doing 5 or 6 or 7 layouts, your name only gets thrown in the hat for your kit reveal and for 3 pages, just so you know. But we encourage you to create as much as you can. It is called Mini Kit Monday. We don't, I say we don't want, but that's not true. You guys do whatever you want, but we encourage you to make smaller albums, because if you got a small kit like this and this is all you're limited to use, it's amazing what you can create. So it's I really love this, and I've been doing this. I think I've only taken 1 month off. I've been doing this from the very beginning. So this is a great way to use up your stash. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. All right, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.